Welcome to our executive interview series at Fed Talks, presented by FedScoop. I'm Brandy Vincent with Scoop News Group, and we're here with Gary Hicks, the Chief Technology Officer at Hitachi. Gary, thanks for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
I want to start by asking, where are you starting to see the use of AI make a material difference in improving the efforts or ability of federal agencies and employees to meet their mission over the past year?
There's kind of two areas I've seen, both outward and inward. The outward is what citizens see. Think of things like digital twins, software simulations of these large operational technologies, like I'm going to take a fighter and build it in a software model. That helps with training and equipping, but it also helps with those citizen services as well, exposing those. We also have seen quite a bit in the area of AI models to assist with things like chatbots, things of that nature that are integrating. But a lot of the adoption of AI that we've seen is internal, that's not exposed to the outside world. People may not necessarily know that it's happening. So you think about things around AI operations management. We have platforms that do predictive analytics and help our customers understand when things are going to break so it doesn't interrupt IT operations and impact those citizen services. So we see a lot of those predictive analytics that help with performance capacity planning, understanding what's going to happen in the future before it even happens.
What's one issue that keeps you up at night concerning the government's progress in implementing modern IT solutions?
I think the biggest area that we've seen challenges with this is moving towards a hybrid cloud model, because I think everyone acknowledges that's where we're going to end up, but we still see a lot of customers that are really focused on, I need to move everything to the cloud, and everyone is going to end up in some kind of form of a hybrid cloud. There will be something on-prem, maybe it's one or two applications, but something is going to remain there. The other challenges that we've seen is really singular focus on having a single cloud that locks them in. Most of the agencies we work with only work with, say, AWS or only Azure. So having the multiple cloud management stack is challenging. And data governance feeds into that as well, understanding where your data is at, who's accessing it. And it really leads to a lot of the skill gaps that we're seeing, is learning these new technologies. And a lot of the AI ops and those AI tools can help ameliorate some of these technology challenges and skill gap challenges, because things that are lower level opportunities, things like provisioning or just day-to-day management, can be done by AI tools more effectively than by a human person in many cases. So that'll assist them in getting to that hybrid cloud nirvana.
Gary, thank you so much for sharing your thoughts on cloud and IT with us today.
Thank you, Brandy.